record. Awesome. The recording has been started. Let's just go to Revit. Not Revit. Let's just go to Chrome. Just close the unnecessary tabs of this. Yeah. All right. So stage 4 it is. We are discussing about. We already discussed till general sheet setup, I guess, and from 7 to 13 is the part we are going to discuss now. So it's 8, 8, 10 right now, 8, 8. We'll just cover this in 30 minutes max, and later we'll just start performing the task. Okay. Today I want you guys to cover at least the second task. We'll at least cover the second task. Third task, maybe try to do it tomorrow, and rest is uh, not that complicated. You guys can like sort it out. It's just like not that complicated. So you guys will be able to do it on your own. Okay, so let's just start with the design development, I guess. No, not design development, cover sheet. So can you tell me, like anybody can tell me, like what is the cover sheet actually, and I mean what the name recommends about cover sheet? Anyone have idea like what is
The
cover
front sheet from which we want to give general idea about our work.
all the set? Yes, exactly. We are recording, right? Yes,
Yeah.
recording. Yeah, cool. So yes, that is nothing but the idea about the cover sheet. Cover sheet is nothing but it will just give you a little bit brief about how the whole set is going to be. So that's what cover sheet is. So I think you guys have already created a cover sheet for task 8, task 9
Task
from
9.
stage 3.
Yeah.
So it will be same
Yeah.
like that, nothing different. It will have these things in that sheet list, client project information, elevation demarcation. Elevation demarcation, nothing but one duplicate of your elevation view with this scale, and just we are at zone 3, right? Just highlight the zone 3 and rest will be in half tone. Okay. Sorry about doing that. Do not like keep selecting files and stuff. What you can do, okay, right now I haven't linked anything yet. I think this is Mohit's model, I'm not sure. So yeah, what you can do, simply just go to annotation like that. Let's just assume that this is zone 2, this is zone 1, this is zone 3. Yeah, so demarcation is nothing but just duplicate the view, add region like this over here, like this. Make all the lines invisible, we don't want to see lines. Click OK, right click on it. It's gone now, just right click on it, override, and make it transparent to 80, not 80, maybe 50, 60 will work. And you can see the only your building is getting highlighted. 60 is still a lot. So you don't have to select everything and half done again and again. This is the shortcut you can do. Okay, so this is what you're going to do when it comes to elevation demarcation. Just create a view like this, maybe colored or like in any way. This is just showing you example. You don't have to do exactly same. You can just do anything. Like you guys have really cool things to do. Also, final massing render that we I think created at stage 2, so that can be a thing too. Cover sheet easy. That's really super cool. That will be cover sheet. Okay. Actually, after task 7, we are nothing but creating a sheet set. We are not modeling anything. We're just creating a sheet set, except the reinforcement. Will just be over there. Stage number 8 is age of slab plan. Covered 7, right? Yeah. So, do you have any idea what is age of slab plan? Anything? No.
No.
No. Okay. Age of slab plan is nothing but if I'll just show you in Revit. This is nothing but the details about the slabs. It will not include anything else. If you go to framing schedule, not schedule, I mean plan. Structure, right.
Is it shows the bar details for specific
I
portion?
think it's cantilever slab type, maybe.
Partially yes, partially no. Actually, whenever there is a slab, whenever we draft it, it's like the slab is like this. That is the annotation thing. Okay, the slab is like this, and there is this beam here, and then this slab will go like this, and this, and this region of it, it's beam, right? These are beams, and if you'll just look from the top, it will look like this, just a normal slab plan, along with maybe dashed lines to represent the beam thickness or something. But we just have to represent the details about slab. That's why we need that slab edge plan. So I'll just erase all this. Erase here. Yes. Oh, I will erase it here. Chrome again, and where were we? Here. Yeah, here. So it's just nothing but you just have to duplicate uh, any atypical plan, rename it to edge of its slab. You just have to show these things. Everything else will be hidden. Okay. Uh, these things. Everything else will be hidden. Grid lines, columns, curves, if any, if you had it. If not, that's okay. Structural walls. Do not show architecture wall. Structural walls are the only walls which are like near the elevator shaft. So just confirm which are structural, which are not. Architecture floor slab opening will be there. Yes, and shaft opening will be there too. So these are the only things you will have in this particular task, and you just have to highlight any slab depression with region or hatch. Like if there is any sunk slab or like any other like hole or something, you just add a region and add hatch, maybe cross hatch or something. That will be enough. And later you just have to add the annotation. Like if there is sunken slab, you can write it. Dimensions of column you can add. Then you can add spot level to the slab, so you can find the elevation of the slab. And dimension has to be there. Okay, so this is nothing but the slab plan. Let's just discuss everything real quick first, then we'll just go into detail. Task number 9 is floor plan. Now you'll wonder, we have already created a floor plan, why to create it again, right? But it's a little different. Here we will be creating, I mean, last time we created it, it was technical plan, right? It included all the dimensions, all the tags, etc., etc. But here we are just going to have furniture layout to it. Like this is nothing but duplicate and create a floor plan. Duplicate atypical and typical view and create make a floor plan from it. Fun, you just have to add furniture to it, dimension tags, like basic clean things, nothing else, nothing technical data. Everything will be like basic. Okay, that will be floor plans. Scale is mentioned. Reflecting ceiling plan. This is important. If you just go to Revit and if you go over here about the slab plan, about 3D. Oh, where is the ceiling plan? Where is the search box? Here. I think there is no ceiling plan created. We'll have to create. Can anyone tell me how to create ceiling plan? Do you have any idea or any reference or anything?
What happens with that? What it told?
Can you tell me like how to create ceiling plan? I think you guys must have idea right till now.
We can create a reference plane up to where we want to like fix the ceiling at height. So then selecting the reference plane, we can create the ceiling. We can draw the
Okay.
ceiling as like slabs.
Okay, can you tell me how to create a floor plan from a level?
Go to the plan view.
Yeah, we can duplicate it.
No, like I mean, if you have just added a level, okay. For example, if I
Plan with reflected ceiling plan is there no?
yeah, just assume that there is no reflecting ceiling plan yet. I think levels are hidden. Just hide a level.
URCP.
Well, my level is not getting visible. What is wrong with this? I'll just go to some other elevation.
collaboration में
CAD बंद होगा.
I think worksheet has to be there.
Worksheet.
I should have discarded all of them. But that's okay. I'm not. What is wrong? Once are here. Is it filter? No, not the filter. On the box, it's not visible. Why it's not showing?
Then chicken hidden.
Go to 3D. Levels are visible. Oh, I think they're not getting
This is
covered
Mohit.
with the.
This one is Mohit's model, right?
Yeah, I think this is Mohit's model. Mohit have created a template where it's very complicated to make the levels and height, but okay, we will do it. It is visible, it is open. Just make it. What have you done, Mohit?
So then in VG,
Don't remember actually.
What?
in
I don't
VG,
remember actually.
You don't remember? Is that what you're
Yeah.
saying?
for multiple there for model categories. Is there?
Levels won't be visible
தலைவரை
at
சொல்லுங்க
model category. I
நான்
guess.
அந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் தலைவரே.
Let's just create new levels. No worries. No worries. Just don't want to get away from the point. Just here. The levels are there. So basically, if you can see, there are lots of levels over here. And if you want to convert levels into flow plan, what we do? What is the basic thing we do? Like if I just
View,
copy this.
go to view, then
Plan view
Yes, exactly. That is the
Plan view.
process
and
of
select
creating
the
ceiling plan. That's what I was saying about. Like, you can
Okay.
create a ceiling
Yes,
from
that will
here.
we can see the ceilings actually.
That's what I was asking for. And okay, no worries. So RCP, you'll get all this. Just create plans for your zone 3 because we are just creating zone 3, right? Ceiling, okay, click okay. And you can see ceiling plan are there over here. Just go to any other level. Ceilings are not okay. Here, ceilings are visible. Right. So this is the ceiling plan, and you'll just have to create a plan from this view. You can add some lights if you want, so like light families and stuff. Where is the Chrome? Yeah, and you can see strip lighting, pendant lighting, whatever you want, whatever you like. They have to show up in the HVAC equipment should show up in properly. So HVAC will be there too. HVAC, I think HVAC is visible. What you can do, just right click override and make it a little transparent to show the HVAC like this. Maybe you can do more transparent to show all the HVAC. But like what data we expect from RCP plan is nothing but the location of lights, location of all exhaust, location of how the ducting is going to be, dimensions of it. So that is what we're expecting. Okay, so you have to add the legend too. I'll just show you what all this means. I'll just go through the.
Can you tell me what the legend actually?
Yes, I'll just tell you. Don't worry. Just read all this first. I'll just show you everything. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. Okay, so after that, you guys need to create a reinforcement drawing. So for creating a reinforcement drawing, you will have to add still, right? You guys have covered the structural part yet, right? The structure you have worked on. So it's the same. Adding reinforcement, you can add a basic reinforcement with 12 mm bars with 100 mm center to center or anything. Basic column, basic beam, basic You don't have to go into like the depth. But yeah, add the reinforcement. You can duplicate any structural plan and make it reinforcement plan, and basic things. Add a reinforcement to it, beam, column, and floor, or add the graphics, and you will find it. Yeah, this is nothing but adding
Only
the
for
plan.
plan, right?
Oh, sorry.
Only for plans. Like
Yeah. A structural plan. You just duplicate in structural plan and make it a reinforcement plan by adding reinforcement to it, and select all the beams and column and just override them to transfer.
Sir, any of the two plans, or otherwise we have to make all the
One
plans
will
for
work.
zone 3?
No, just one will
Okay.
work. Any plan in zone 3 that will work.
Okay.
Schedule. You
Okay.
guys have already created a schedule of the beams and columns in stage 8. You can just do that again. Don't do that. I can just add again to the sheet. Create a view template. Okay. So since this is nothing but adding schedule, title text. Just add this as a title text of your schedule. You know how to add a title to your schedule, right? If you just go to schedule, where is it? Schedule over here. So basically, just assume that this is the let's assume that this is the schedule, and here you just want to update this. To update this, you just have to go to. So we have template over. Okay, there is no new template. Okay, so is it because of the link thing? If you just go to appearances and so yeah, here you can see the title. This is the setting about titles. What font you want, what header text you want. Like make it this. Click OK, and you will see. Nothing has changed. Why nothing has changed? Let me check. Yeah, so I think here from here you can update it like that. You should you must be able to update it from here also. It's not getting, but anyways, update it from here. This has to be about these two most probably. That's strange, but okay. Anyways, just update it from here. Apart from that, once the schedule is done, then there is technical package. Technical package is nothing but the everything. We just have to combine everything and create a PDF out of it. The same way you did for task number 9. Sheets are mentioned over here, and these will be 12 sheets that you guys will have to submit along with whole model, clash report, crash resolution documentation. These 3 things you have to submit. Okay, this might sound like a lot, but now I will just show you. Like last time I mentioned, right? I'll show you the whole sheet set. So yeah, this is the time. I have it open over here. So this is the complete set. This is how your set is going to look at the end. So first things first, cover sheet. I don't want you guys to create the same. Use your ideas. Use your you guys are really creative. Use your head and just create something really good. But basically, this is what cover sheet will look like. Let me zoom out a little bit. It will have the basic data. It will have the sheet list. You know how to create sheet list, right? Sheet list is nothing but the schedule for sheet. If you go to Revit, go to schedule. Where is schedule? Schedule is in manage, right?
View.
Schedule is in view. Yeah. Okay, here and just sheet. Wait.
There is a direct sheet.
Wait. Yeah. Here, sheet list. And you just add whatever data you want, like number, name. I think 2 will be enough. That 2 will be enough. And you can create something like this. This is all text, TX, normal text. And see, this particular person just highlighted his part with orange and rest it's gray. So you can implement something like that. And demarcation is nothing but this. Okay. So I think there is something cool over here, plans and stuff. I don't know, you can do that too. Okay, so this is the cover sheet, and if you see, have you noticed this sheet? I mean, this is the sheet you guys have already provided, right? You guys have this. It's available in the folder. So this is nothing but the details about your whole structure, basic details, and why this sheet. It's mentioned over here. If we just go to the Chrome and technical package, it is mentioned over here. Yeah, sheet number 2 will be assembly sheets of your walls, floors, doors, etc. So yeah, this will be the second sheet. You have it already. You can just merge it, or what you can do, you can create drafting view. So let's just assume that you have this sheet already. Okay, and I want to add. Oh my God, why it's laggy. I want to add a view of this to your sheet. So what you can do, just screenshot it like this. Okay, and save it. You don't have to model everything because you have it already. Screenshot of this. Why it's not able to stay? Where is my screenshot? Which is flipping to.
We are in full screen mode. The screenshot will not appear.
Yeah, I was checking in the notification panel, but it's not over there. I just do this flipping tool. Flipping tool is the best. So let's just save it. Save it in a proper folder. I'm just saving it at downloads maybe for now. Download. Let's just save it in pictures only. You can write a name. What is it? Floor details. So let's just write floor details. Let's just save it in a proper location. X testing. Where is testing? Stone. Stitch 4. And once the image is saved, what you can do, you can just go to creating a drafting view, scale, make it 1:10 for now, and from here you can do insert image, not link, import image.
Import.
Go over here and strikes, stone, stitch 4, and let's import this for details. It will be something like this. Make sure that this is not blurred. I just making a sample, right? You just make sure you will zoom properly and take a screenshot of it. Once the view is created, click somewhere else. Here you can type floor details and just copy this, search it over here. Okay, it's on. Next, we'll find the drafting view over here. Let's just go to some sheet. Let's just go to site plan. Let's assume that this is the detailed plan of sheet. So what you can do, you can just drag it over here, place it like this, and add a title. Maybe this line over here, so detail with this tail properly embedded in this. So this is how you will create. Okay, this whole sheet, this sheet will be created in this way. So is that clear? Awesome. After that, site plan. So one thing I want you guys to observe is how precise everything is. There are no overlapping. There are no things like something is huge, something is small. Everything is like properly tagged. You can see the font sizes are similar throughout. Nothing is getting overlap. Everything is clean. Necessary part is covered in the rectangles. I mean, this is what we actually submit at the time of. In fact, better than this. I mean, this is really good at entry, like really good. But we kind of submit maybe 10 steps ahead than this. Like you can see, this view is not getting utilized anywhere, right? So you will have to hide it. These are the small things we do follow. So this is what the site plan will look like. After that, where were we? Yeah, slab plan is, I think, optional. I'm not sure if it's optional or not, but oh, it's there. It's there. You have to create. It's not optional. Where is it? Okay, floor plans first. Let's just talk floor plans first. As mentioned, that this will have the architectural layout, furnitures and stuff. If I go over here, this is how it will look. Okay, so you can see the level grades are there. Elevations are very apart from, like, away from it. These two are not utilizing, but okay. Dimensions are there. There is a really good distance between dimension strings. If I just zoom into the plan, you can see all the tags are having really like similar size. They are not varying much. Furniture is there. Section has been divided into parts so that it will not overlap on your details. So this is what we are going to have at the end. But I mean, you guys are really close to achieve something like this. All I've seen all your submissions; they are really great. But we have to take it to next level, because this is the stage where we almost complete 90% of the documentation. So yeah, this is how it has to look. Okay. Uh, the main motto of it, like if you, like I mentioned on channel also, what I recommend, or what according to me, whenever I open any sheet set, it has to be pleasant for my eyes. Like you can see, it's really good. It's up to the mark. Nothing is getting overlapped. Nothing is getting out of the sheet. Everything is clean, right? So it feels very appealing. Even if you have correct, like created a wrong model, that is okay at the moment. But this is what I expect from you guys. So angles are mentioned, it's written over here, railing. Like just assume that you guys, like you all are engineers and you're actually working on site, and this is what you receive. You had confusion while reviewing the CAD, right? You were not sure what is going on over here. That's why that person mentioned it's railing. So it is very important to tell, I mean, the plan has to talk to you. Okay, like you can see, like I don't think you will confuse, you will be confused if you will just go through this and you will find it like, yeah, this is staircase, got it. This staircase going up, this staircase also going up. So it has to be down over here, it will not go up down here. This is the error, ignore that. Lift 1, lift 2 is mentioned, elevation is mentioned over there, tags. And but just see this, like this is what I want. And there is a little bit of tiny plan. This is not asked, but this person managed to add it, right? Because this is how we'll see what area is sellable, non-sellable area. Non-sellable area is nothing but where you utilize it as passage and stuff. Sellable area, we actually utilize it. And there is one. This is the worst PDF viewer I'm seeing. It's just lagging a lot. Okay, anyways, this is the room schedule. You can check the font and stuff. Font is weird, but that's okay. So this is how your floor plan has to look like. There are two, one symmetric, one unsymmetric. One thing to notice, you can see this tag. Let me check if I can draw something. Yeah, this tag and this tag, like these two tags are on same level. Like they are not going forward and backward, right? So these are the things you have to make sure will be there. I'll show you some more like actual live sheets also. I am not sure if I have any, but these are the tiny details that has to be there. Let's see if I will be able to open this PDF on the PDF viewer. Very weird PDF viewer for some reason. I do not have Adobe PDF, but okay, that's okay. We'll just continue on that. Okay, so after creating floor plans, we will be heading to the RCPs, reflected ceiling plan. So just go to the PDF again. Where is the RCP? I don't know, the sequence is not correct here, but we can ignore that for now. Section is here. Okay, yeah, here you can see the RCP. Let's just zoom in a bit. This is the most PDF you are using. Let's just download and now. It's free, right? No. Nope. I think I'll have to use some other tools, but not in the recording. Okay. Anyways, you can see the RCVs, right? Ceiling is highlighted with some pattern. You can right click override. lights are over here. They are pretty linear. Here there is MEP details. I think we will not do that. C1 is tag for light. C1 is tag for the ceiling. C1. So this is C1, and all the similar ceilings are named as C1, and there is this C2. This is another type of ceiling. So tag is there. Ceiling elevation is there. Like you can see, right? This is clean. This has all the data, and this is how it has to look. Apart from that, this person managed to add a section as well. This is not asked, but he added right from this. You can find out what is the ceiling height, what is the light we are going to use. I mean, the families this person have used are basic, but the details are amazing. You can see different distance between these two slides are mentioned. And Sanil, you were asking about the legend, right? So this is the legend. Legend is nothing but it is a drafting view. This is text, this is text, this is text. But if you just see, let's just assume that you are on site and you see something circular over here. So you don't know what is that. So to know, you have to go to legend. So yeah, oh, the circle thing is ceiling light, round flat. So you need this. So that's why we need to create legend. Legend represents everything in your plan. So there are two types of light over here, pendant disk and this light. So it's mentioned over here. Pendant disk is there. And how to create legend? It's really easy. It's same as drafting view. If you go to Revit, and if you go to legend, new legend, you can do anything. You just add detail line like this, and like this. And you can add text, light, something like this here, and then again create a detail line and create a maybe light or more like this. So this is how basically you create a legend. And legend is, I told you, legend is like drafting views. So you can just go to any sheet. Which is right, let's just go to that one and just drag your legend like this and just place it somewhere here. If you want to update the scale, you can update the scale. It will be larger. Larger is better. Like, oh, it's getting tiny. But like, just see what is suiting the scale and stuff. Okay, one question. So you have legend, you have drafting view. So can you tell me what is the difference between like these two works literally the same? But there is one small thing that differentiate legends and drafting views. Do you have any idea? Like what is that? Sorry?
Editable.
Editable. I'm both are editable. Both I can edit. I can edit both. Like both can be editable.
Maybe legend, maybe you cannot find like floor details need in the views, what is the name of floor details? Like we will give some details below that. We cannot give.
We can do that in the drafting view too. If I just delete it and just paste it over here. The scale is different. That's why it's showing like
No,
data.
what I'm saying is the floor details to that detail we cannot give to legend.
We can do to that legend too. I mean, yes, legend is nothing but a empty sketch, like empty CAD file. You can draft all the lines. You can draft everything. So the difference between these two are nothing but if I just go to some other sheet, let's just go to cover sheet again. And if I just drag a legend over here, you can see I'm able to place it. And if I just drag same drafting view over here, you can't do that. So if you want to add same element to all the sheets, you go for legend. Okay. And if you want to create like a drafting view, and that will be on only one sheet, then the drafting view has to be the tool. The legend, we always create legend to create something like the thing we are doing right now. What I can say? Have you seen the map? Like every map has a table in corner where all the symbols are like presented. So that's what the purpose of legend. If let's just assume that you have created 10 RCPs. right? And you can't add drafting view to all of it. Legend, it can be added. So this is where legend is useful when it comes to multiple things. Okay. So where were we? Yeah. So this is what legend. So is that clear, Samuel? You asked, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. After that, okay, so here age of slab plan is. So this person again managed to add details. I am not sure from where he extracted all these details, but these details are really good. Let's just zoom in a bit. Okay, let's just discuss the slab edge plan first. Okay, so here you can see again. Have you noticed one thing, guys? If I just draw the distance between your project, your model to dimension string is literally the same here, same in all plans. So I mean, this is really tiny detail, but it looks really amazing. And I really love these kind of sheets. I will show you actually how this will, affecting the thing. I need Adobe for that. But okay, where were we? Slab edge plan. So, like mentioned, the total ceiling height is over here, mentioned over here. Literally tiny details are here. Slab edge plan showing the details about these are the framing wall, right? These are, like I mentioned, the walls around elevator are nothing but the structural walls. So these are over here, and you can see text has been added: SW1 structural wall 1, structural wall 2, C1, CL, nothing but the this is, I'll tell you what
Central
is this.
line.
Yeah, center line. This is the distance between the property line or center line to the grid. So basically, let's just assume, I mean, you don't have to even assume. So whatever sheet set you create, these are literally taken from your computer and directly diverted to a person who is on the site. So you have to make sure that that person will get all the information. For example, you want to construct this wall. Okay, this is sunken part. Oh my god, wait. And this is so bad. Uh, okay, so basically you need to create this. So let's just assume you need to create this sunk in your slab. What data will you need? How wide it is? Yeah, you're getting that data. And where to plot it? It's 1900 away from this grid. So you mark center line on sides, right? So you have the details about center line. So this is mentioned. It's mentioned over here. So for example, if you want to know the details about this column, if you're not sure where is it gonna placed, CL represents the details about center line of column is there. So if you go over here, you can see this column will be placed 180 mm away from your slab, and that 180 mm will be the center line of your column. So this is how you will be able to get all the information. And there has to be, okay, so details over here are mentioned, detail 1.1 slab edge plan. Okay, if you just go over here, the callouts are not added yet. If you just check, this is slab edge plan, right? This has to show like this. There must be a call out like this, which will say 1. This is view number 1, right? So it will show 1.1, but that's, sorry, that is okay. But basically, this is how your uh, slab edge plan has to look. So is that clear? Awesome. Moving forward, what else we are going to need? Let's go. Floor plan we are done. Cover sheet. Okay. We are task over. Okay. Cover sheet done. Slab edge done. Floor plan done. RCP done. Okay. This is important. Reinforcement drawing. If I just go down here, you can see reinforcement. As mentioned, this is the reinforcement plan. So this plan is only representing the reinforcement. Okay, can you read this and find out like what does this means? Like 16M-210, what it means?
16 mm dia and
हा
210 spacing.
210 स्पेसिंगला
Yes,
16 mm चा डायमीटर.
exactly. So the basic idea why I asked you this, because the information has to be in such a way that anyone can identify it, right? So in this plan, if anyone on the site can see, okay, 16mm 208, that means 208 distance is there between the bars, and 16 bar is using, they are using. So this is what I'm talking about, the details and stuff. So you can see this is really clean. There is no lots of data, column sizes are mentioned, and a section, they have added a section over here, and this is section number 2 on sheet number 12. So is this sheet number 12? Okay, this is the last sheet. Yes, this is sheet number 12 and view number 2. This is the view number 2. You can see uh, everything is over here, and this is model, this is not drafted, because I can see the basic column there. And this person also managed to add the text. What is this structural beam? This is like, what is the distance between cover is mentioned 200 mm. I'm not sure what is it. 1600 mm is nothing but the depth of your beam. Floor thickness is mentioned. He also added the floor finish level and structural slab level, structural column, right? This is what you need to get in RCP. Sorry.
200 mm maybe structural one, and the 150 is architectural. Is it right?
Yeah. This 200. Okay, so yeah, if I just go to draw again, this is the slab 200 mm, which is structural, and this is 150 mm of architectural slab. So this is what he have mentioned, this person have mentioned, and below that there is the beam. Actually, not below that, this hole is a beam, like I mentioned. If you just cut a section to slab, it will look like this, right? Here will be reinforcement, and there will be reinforcement here, circular, not like this. So, but we don't measure this part as a beam, right? We measure this whole part as a beam. So if you cut section from here, you will see something like this, I guess, and it will be slab over here, and sorry, slab over here and beam over here. But anyways, you got the idea, right? How reinforcement plan is going to look. So is that clear? Awesome. So after that, there is a schedule. So schedule, what schedule we need to do? We need to, okay. This person have not added schedule about beams and columns. You guys have already have created it, right? The beams and column schedule. So you can just add it in this corner or in this corner or anywhere you like. Okay, so this is how the final set has to look like. Section is over here. I missed the section. You can see in LMS they have mentioned to add a section only, but this person added callouts like this, and these callouts are here, where you can see the details in brief, like this party staircase. This is I don't know. This is some area room. This is landscape terrace. This is height. This is railing dimensions. This is the ceiling, curtain wall. So you can do something like this. You know how to add call out, right? Shall I show you? If you go
Yes,
to
please
Revit,
show.
if you go to some elevation, and just assume that you want to highlight this particular area. You go to view and go to call out. Get a call out like this. Just bring it somewhere out, and you select this. You will find the name. Control A, Control C. Search. Okay, it's already here. You can go over here in this call out view, and you can see it's zoomed. Now you can add dimensions like this, whatever dimensions you want, like whatever details you want to add. If you want to add a text which is saying the railing, and always use capital letters when it comes to adding any data in sheet. Never use small letters, like never. That is the first rule. So just assume that this is railing. Maybe glass panel like this, and again this. Okay, so once this is done, you can go to sheet, just go to section, and You can drag it like this and drop it over here. So it will have, and always add a good port to it, viewport to it, and rename it. I really don't want to see any of the view will have name like call out and stuff. It has to be detailed. So you can add railing details. Okay. So this is how it has to look. So this is what we want from this whole task 4. I hope that is clear now. Do you guys have any doubt in this?
No, but
Clear?
yeah, for now it is clear. We have to go through the task. Then we'll know if any faces, if any issue will come, we'll connect with Slack.
Yeah.
The major problem is now for task number 3 is there 3 and 4.
Yeah, we'll do the 3 and 4 right now. Don't worry. Apart from that, documentation part is clear, right?
Yes.
Awesome. So, what about you guys? Aijaz, Sangeeta, is everything okay? Do you have any doubt?
No, all good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is basic. Like it is mentioned over here, like technical design. So this is what we are going to have as a technical design. Okay, and let's just talk about. Shall we talk about the task 2 and 3 then, or do you guys want to have a break or something, maybe for 5 minutes?
Yeah, it will be fine.
Okay, so it's 8:54. Okay, so let's just get back on at 9. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Okay, are we back?
Yeah.
Awesome. Also get something to eat, guys. It will take some time, maybe. I'll just stop sharing my screen. Okay. Cool. So, I also have my protein shake with me. For today,
I just had some carrots.
carrots,
Yeah.
salad and stuff. Huh? That's nice. I go in. Where is Manam? Manam is like always ready with the dish and he's eating in the background. You had dinner, Govind?
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
रोज का
Hi,
टाइम है अपना 7 बजे.
awesome. Hi, Aijaz. How are you?
Hi.
Yes.
Fine.
By the way, till now we have covered the remaining tasks, like discussion about the task, and apart from that, we will be covering 1 or 2 tasks today. So, if like anyone want to leave, can leave. No worries. Like the important stuff is done till now, or else can stay and perform the task with us. That's okay. Where is everybody? Where is Ganesh? Where is Sanal? Where is Mohit? Mohit is there. Manam, you had dinner or not? Huh? You had dinner?
Yes. No, completely.
Okay. So who is gonna share the screen?
Yeah, I'm ready with those stuffs.
Awesome. Go ahead and show your screen. Are we
Which
missing
one?
someone? Is everyone there? Oh, sorry, what?
Which one should I share? The Revit one or the Navis one?
We need both. So just share like whole screen in general. Like you will find option to share entire screen. So do that.
Okay, let me open.
Yeah. How many of you guys have two screens?
Oh, sometimes like not now, but while working like in previous company, so they have the project reports. So in that time, I used to connect the HDMI cable with one TV and use those both screen.
TV, yeah, I have done too. Working on TV is a next level of flex.
I
Okay.
use in office.
And what?
Sometimes TV, sometimes screen.
Cool. So I want you guys to perform the task along with Samuel right now. So it will be easy. And let's just get the first task done, second task done. Third task will take time. You guys can, I'll just show you some of it. You guys can cover the rest. But right now, let's just do it together, right? Is everyone here? Ganesh, where are you? Can't see you. Ganesh is not here, I guess. Okay, so let's just start. So you are in the 3D view, right?
Yes.
Have you linked the MEP file too?
Pardon? क्या बोले sir?
Have you linked the MEP file?
Yes. MEP link.
Can you rotate it? I can't see it. Like rotate the model. You can check. Okay, it's not visible. All right. So what I am going to tell you now is to start the scope box, section box. You may find it at the left. You may find it at properties and section box. Not the scope box, just section box. Click on it. Yes. Just drag that section box from bottom till our zone. Sorry. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Perfect. A little down. Okay, that will do. Awesome.
Okay.
So as mentioned earlier, the Navisworks will accept the file as a view. So this is the view we are going to use. So can you duplicate the view and just rename it to Navisworks or something?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And guys, always make sure that if you duplicate any view, make sure you will rename it properly. Even if you're not going to use, just rename it. Do not keep it like copy, because make it a habit. It will be very helpful for you ahead.
Yes.
But 3D for Navisworks, that is perfect. Rotate a bit. Everything is looking good. Awesome. So now let's just go to add-ins. External tools, yes. Navisworks 2020, yes. Click on that. And go to Navisworks settings. Oh yeah, create a folder first. Settings. Okay, so here's a little twist. If you import the file, the NWS file directly without updating the settings, it will only show the architectural model. So here is one option. You can read, right? Convert linked files. Can you read the option over there? I think it's yeah, that one. You just have to tick it. And yes, this is one option you have to keep selected because we are going to import. I mean, you can import the structural, architectural, and MEP files separately, but that is lengthy method, right? Open it, convert it, then append it. So this is the best way. Just link everything.
Sorry, Siddhant. Just Mohit, you are recording, right?
Yeah, I'm recording too.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm recording too.
Yeah,
okay.
cool. Thanks, Mohit. Okay. So as I mentioned, it is very hectic to like just append, create NWC file for everything and then append it. It's really convenient if we can do something like this. So convert link will convert your whole structure into NWC file, and which we will use it ahead. So, okay, NWC file has been converted. Click OK. Create a folder. Give it a date. What is the date today? 23/07/08.
Remedial I have given. Remedial. How much date today?
It's 8. It's 8.
8.
Yeah. July 23. Okay, just go to folder and create a name, maybe NWC first, something like that. Just rename it with something.
Okay. Is it okay?
Okay, wait. Yeah, cool.
Sorry, requesting. Save.
Awesome. So it'll take few seconds or a minute to get exported. You understood the process, right? Why we click on that link stuff, because we want to see all the models in our Navisworks.
Then
Yes,
we have
sir.
to export that.
Sorry.
We have to export the architectural file separate and structural file separate.
Actually,
In central model.
you can do that, but to like this is lengthy method, right? Doing it separately. So the shortcut is to link everything in your coordination file, then create a view like this using section box. The only zone 3 will be visible, and this we have to export this 3D view using the Navisworks, using the export tool. Okay, cool. Sanil, can you go to Navisworks now?
Yeah. Okay. Let me open a new file.
Yeah, sure. New, and let's just append.
What is the file?
It was yeah. That one open. And I hope this will show all of your models. Can you zoom in, rotate or something like that? Can you start the selection tree? Okay, click on that. Yes, your MEV file is there, your structural file is there. That's cool.
Structural file is there.
Have you linked the structural file in Revit first?
Yes, it is linked. Let me just check.
Go to Revit link.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, it's not linked. But yeah, you have to make it visible.
Again, we have
Yeah, let's just make it new file. This work. Yes, you can replace it. I think it will crash. Maybe just go to Navisworks and create a new
I
file.
will reopen a new file.
Yeah. Just open here new, because this file will be. Oh, you closed the Navisworks. Okay.
The laptop might lagging now.
Yeah, we have lots of things going on right now. That's why maybe.
Yeah.
All right, so you play GTA Vice City. Nice.
Just downloaded today. Was not able to open. Like my mouse is not working. I've tried a lot.
You need to install one DLL file. Not install, just copy it from internet and paste it. That will.
Yeah, tried that one, but not happened.
You can
Crashed.
drop a query at Slack. I'll help.
Okay.
Okay, while exporting, have you selected that link option? Just open it. We'll just see. Let's just append it like normally. File is.
Okay.
And you will see, yeah, just append this file. Open. You'll see like there is no MEV file and there is no structural file present here, because we have not checked that box which can convert the linked files, right? So we can't use it like this. Even if you go to the selection tree, you can see there is nothing. There is just all the levels. Yes, plus or click on it. Okay, it's already there. So like, have you selected that option?
We have changed now.
You
We have
just
changed the,
replace the file. Maybe that's why it just it's
Oh
a
yeah, it
setting.
might have
we already changed the
taken the
setting
setting
now.
to cool. Can you rotate it, like, can we see it from below?
Okay.
Yeah, the MEP is structural. Yeah, both files are there. Awesome. So once the creation of files is done, what is the next step? Let me check the Chrome. Export. Yeah, we exported.
Class
Best of
detection.
okay. There is one class detection matrix given. Can you open that?
Yes, we have.
Awesome. Let's open it.
Where is not opening?
All right. So here you can see there are 3 tabs at the bottom. One is having the matrix, that is nothing but the tabular form of what we have in the third tab. So go to second. Yeah, so it is mentioned we need to create all these search sets so that we can just do the class detection, right? You guys remember class detection, right?
Yes.
Or okay, cool. So for that we need to create sets. So let's just create set. First set is architectural all, and it will have architectural walls, floors. I mean everything except facade. So what we'll do? Just go to Naviswork. Okay, select any floor. I think there is one floor on top. Select that floor. Yes, and now you can see there is one option at the left of selection tree which says select same.
It's same.
Yeah, click on that, select same, select same type. Okay, so all the architecture, I hope all the architectural tabs are selected, floors are selected or not yet. Okay, not all are selected. Let's just do it again.
Let's hide this one. Okay.
No, don't hide anything.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do without hiding it. Okay, let's just select that one on top. Like there is one on top, the yellow. You can see
Yes.
that is also a floor.
Okay.
No, above that, there is, yeah. Okay, so not this, the other one. Okay, you can hide it actually. That will be helpful. Sorry, my bad. Just hide it.
So I have to hide the substrate MEP, right?
Yeah, just hide it for now. MEP also. Okay. Now just select the floor. Yeah, that one. Okay. Now just go to the select same and select same type.
Okay, this is one type only. Is,
Okay,
F.
then press Control and select the floor below it. Just do manually from corner. Okay, cool. Now just do the select all, like same type. Okay, why it's not getting selected? Why all the floors are not getting selected? Can you go to selection tree again?
I think this one also the other type, like floor 350 mm, 350 mm floor. So that's why this is a single one.
Okay, let's just do the other one. Yeah, let's just do that. Right. Okay, cool. So we have floor selected. Let's just select any wall. Like on top, you can see there are walls. Yeah, click on that. Let's now do the same. Select. Right. Awesome. There is one more wall. Okay, I think these are the structural wall, I suppose, around the elevator. Yeah, just select that one and do the same. You can do that in Project Browser too, right? So everything is selected now. Now you just have to create a set. Just click on set over there. Yes, click on that. Manage set. Yes. Okay, now there is one option on top left. Yeah, that. Click on that and just rename it to the set 1, architectural set 1, I guess it is. Yeah, that's the name. Correct. Okay, let's just go to Excel again. Second is architectural walls only. You can do this, right? This is easy. The same way we did. Third is architectural floor. So We just select.
One.
I think we can skip these two. I mean, these are the same way of creating
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
So can you go to the Chrome again? Oh, sorry, the Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. First thing, go to the third tab and see the test mentioned are here. There are total 4 tests. Site we are not going to do now because the site we have not included in our view. So that's just ignore that. T1, T0, T2, T4. Although it is necessary to do the site, it's just the same. You have to make the site visible, import the file into an Navis work. But it will not have much of the clashes, so it's okay. We can let it go now. Okay, so you can see T1, T2, T2, T4. There are test numbers, and if you check the selection, architectural all versus structural all, architectural all versus MEP all, then again structural all, MEP all, then MEP MEP. Okay, so these are the things. These are the tests you have to conduct. Now go to search set. The second tab, yeah. Here you can see we are not using the architectural wall, architectural floor, structural primary. Like these are sets we are not using, right? So let's just not create it in this task, like in this session. You need to create it anyhow. You know how to create it, right?
Siddhant, actually, the problem I am facing for not for the selection sets. Selection sets, I am okay with that, but I am
Okay.
facing with the
Structural set.
no
Okay.
that what search set that we have to find search with the name type and others. So there I am facing the issue actually.
Okay, so if you are having trouble with search option, you can just I mean you have to study what component you want to have in that particular. Like for example, all the walls will have same thing like maybe the structure type, like the material. So we'll have to do that by material. But for now, let's just do a easy method. Easy. Go to selection tree and unhide the structural. Okay. Okay, wait. Before that, go to Excel. Okay, so I think architectural wall floors you can do, right? It's the same way we created the architectural overall, right?
The selection set is okay, but search while doing search set,
Okay.
so I am facing the problem like while selecting architectural walls, it also selecting the structural walls.
Okay, so actually the thing is all the walls have the common data. You just have to find the what is uncommon common data among those two. It may be the material, but yeah, I mean you have to research it and then you will be able to do that. But we will just do easy method for now.
If we do only by normal sets like whatever you have told now, so that will be okay, na?
Yeah, that will be okay. That will be okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so I think architecture wall, architecture floor is easy. You guys can do it the same way we did it. Structural all is easy also. Just select the structural file from the selection tree. Everything will be selected, then convert it to set. Let's just do it. Go to Navisworks. Selection tree. Click on the structural file. Okay, and just create set. Like from the top, you can see save selection. There is an option. At the yeah, everything is selected. No, you don't have to select anything else. On the top, you can find one option. Left. That can be two. Left.
Or
Yeah. That will also create set. You can write the structural name, whatever name it has. All right. Yeah, this one. Right click. Rename. Awesome. So two sets are there. Okay, you might will find a trouble with, for example, go to Excel. There you can see primary structural, like set number 02, primary structural. Yeah, that one, yes. So they want you to select all the structural columns and framings only. So if you go to Naviswork and try to select any column, maybe you just can go from below. Yeah. Okay, it's getting selected. Any beam or something? Wait.
Oh, beam.
Beam, not that one is curtain wall. Okay, yeah, you are able to select it. So mostly what happens now when you select any linked file, it will just select the whole point of the file at time. So at that moment, I mean, this is one method that we followed. There is one more method you can do. Go to selection tree. Rotate the view first. Okay, now go to selection tree and click on plus of structural element plus. Yeah, there, and just plus for all the levels. This is a little lengthy, but like this is the, I mean, easiest way you can do it. Okay, so now all the sites are visible. Just select, like, go to level 15, select the structural column and framing. Yes. Same with 16, same with 17, same with 18. Yeah, yes. Framing. All right, that's it. Now save selection, and you will have your set. Yes, that's perfect. So if you go to the instructions from Chrome, oh my God, you have lots of tabs open. Okay, task 4. Okay, so you can see there is task 2. Task 2 is about creating sets. So you have created 3 sets already. Just create rest of the sets, and that will be wrap on task number 3. Is that clear?
Yes.
Awesome. So about clash resolution now. Can you cross it? And yeah, there is coordination view setup. Coordination view setup is about creating the sets. Okay. And task number 3, the clash detection Naviswork. Here we will just start the clash detection part. Okay. So you are clear till task number 2, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, cool. Go to task number 3. And yeah, open anything. The second one. Okay. So it is mentioned that after performing the task as per the search set, you will have to submit the result along with the file. Okay. So now go to Excel. Let's just run a test. And let's just go to tab 3. Let's just do perform first task. First test. It is architectural all versus structural all. Go to Naviswork. Class detection, yes. And here add test on top. Yeah, that one. Now at below, you can see the standard. Click on that, sets. Perfect. Here also. Then architectural 1, that is versus structural 1. Yes. Now just there are some settings at below, the type and tolerance that is mentioned on Excel. Can you go to Excel? Yeah. So type will be hard, link, don't have to do anything. Tolerance is 5 centimeter. Go to Navisworks again.
I'm not able to find any priority option.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Daniel.
But priority option is there, even a low, high, and not
Okay.
applicable.
Priority option, about the priority option, you will not find any option to set the priority in Naviswork. It is the thing which we use to create like search sets. Can you go to Down Center? I have like one of the learner have asked the same query. I just answered that.
Is the laptop is so slow. we use the rendition.
Yeah, I mean, you just have a lot of things going on. Same thing happening to me also at my end.
The RAM
But-
is consuming more. And the
Yeah.
RAM is also consuming.
By the way, one good tip, what you can do, just don't keep the Chrome open with all the tabs, maybe 2 or 3. Chrome consumes a lot of.
Yes.
I am
Right.
using Brave browser.
Brave
Yeah,
also I have. For
Brave is good
movies.
with managing. Okay,
Hybrid.
scroll in the down center. Yeah, just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, and there is one query about priority. Just keep going up.
Post again.
Okay, I think yeah, this one. Just go to replies.
This one.
Right upside.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Just go to replies and go to bottom, I guess. Go down, down. Yeah, here he asked what is the priority. So if you just see the screenshot I attached, yeah, that one. Here you can see when it comes to testing in Navisworks, let's just assume you have a lots of tests to perform. So we kind of create folders where we assign priorities. Like this is high priority, so we will just create sets. And like in Excel, it's mentioned right what are the high priorities. So you create sets, you create a folder and add all these sets into high priority, then low, and then middle. So this is what view arrangement I will say, so that at the time of actually performing the test, it will be convenient for you to find. So this is what this priority thing means. You don't have to do that right now because we just have 4 tests, so it will not be that complicated. So is that clear on priority?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's just go to Navisworks and type is hard. That's correct. Tolerance is 5 centimeter, 50 meter. Yeah, that's okay. Let's just run the test. All right. So you have 318 clashes. Okay, they are a lot. So you know how to export the report, right? Just go to
Yes.
report and yes, write a report. Yeah, I mean the same way what we do. So go to the Chrome, go to the instructions.
What?
Instructions, the Chrome. So yeah, submission of this task will be submitting the report along with the NWD file. So what you will do, once you run the test, all the tests, there are 4 tests, right? Just run all, then go to the file and publish the file and create a folder where there will be NWD file, there will be clash, like the clash file, the HTML report along with all the images and stuff. So this is what we want.
Yeah, I will show something. I just created something. I just
Okay.
Task. Class detection, and I have class report, and these are the class reports. Like
Yes.
the files, like these are the images they have shown, right?
Okay.
So we have to submit all the things, right?
Yes. This is just the same way you have created. Submit all the files, zip it and submit it.
Okay.
Yes. Now go to Navisworks. So I think task 3 is about submitting the clashes. And there is task 4 where you have to resolve the clashes. So
That's the main problem.
yeah. So about that, just go to the select part. We are in result part. Result.
Result. Okay.
Yeah. Here you can see you have 318 classes. So you will get tensed, like you just have to solve all 318, but that's not the case if you select any other classes like clash 5 or clash 6.
Plus 5. Okay.
You can see there is this wall which is like clashing with everything basically. That's why all the clashes are here. So the most of the clashes are like common. It must be due to a wall, it must be due to a beam which is like clashing with everything. So you have to manage that. So for that, let's just cover this clash basically. Can
Okay.
you make the clash detective window a little bigger?
Okay.
Like from bottom, I want to see the bottom.
Uh,
I just drag it and yes, scroll it now down. No. Okay. No.
In
There is
tools
one.
and outcomes,
There is
item.
one. Yeah, items. I want to see
items.
that.
Okay. This one.
Yes. So okay, select any clash.
Let me just right.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so you have a class selected. So we will use the switchback. You know how to do the switchback thing, right? First, go to Revit and external tools. Yes, and there is last option. There is no switchback to it. Just click on it. Okay, that's it. So now go to the Iceberg again. And here you can see there is one option. Yeah, perfect. That one. Just click on it. It will ask you, or okay, it's not asking you. Okay, so it have identified the file. No worries. In case if it will ask you, there will be a window popping up, and it will ask you to select the Revit file. Just click browse and wait. Just click
It's
browse.
automatic.
Yeah, it will automatically take you to the view. So yeah, if that window comes up, just click on browse and select the file you are working in. Okay, now okay, the element is selected already. Just go to the specs below and do the isolate element. That one. Okay. So what you are going to do now? Just start the section box. On top, you can see on top. Above, a little above. Yeah, that one. Yes, click on it. Okay, zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, so here you can see that wall is getting clashed with lots of elements. So here you need to modify those, that wall so that it will not clash with the elements, right? So if you just select that wall using tab, is it a linked file? Yeah, the structure
Link
linked
file.
file.
The structured one.
Okay, so now it comes to something pretty interesting. Open another Revit. Okay, first just close all the tabs in Chrome, like unnecessary tabs. Close them all. They're just not rush into this.
I have deleted one sticks also.
Uh, okay. Oh, I think you close the better link.
No.
Okay, till it's opening, can you open another Revit?
That structured one.
Yeah,
Or
just
normal.
yeah, in another Revit, not in the same Revit.
It's become too slow.
That image is very handsome.
Edited.
Edited.
I was supposed to say that.
Don't,
I was
don't look
about to
any.
say that.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, everything's excellent. That's nice.
yeah.
Okay.
So which where
Yeah.
he was? 3 or 4?
4 is about resolution, right? So yeah, now I hope the another Revit is open and open the structural file in this.
Yes. ओ भाई जल्दी से हो जा.
And you just explore a lot of things. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, open. You can override. So basically, you have a lots of you will notice lots of clashes, but I don't know. It is really appreciated if you just resolve all of them. But I think by considering the time, we'll just focus on the clashes which are like large in size. Okay, like like there is this wall right now we are resolving. It was huge. It was clashing with everything, right? Uh, so just we'll just cover those kind of clashes for now. And yeah, you know, if getting delayed, then we can skip all the clashes. We can focus on main clashes.
ये
Okay,
सिर्फ
that's right.
क्लास डिटेक्ट करता है या किधर ओवर रैंकिंग पार्ट रह गया, अनकनेक्टेड पार्ट रह गया, वो भी डिटेक्ट करता है?
No, the only clashes. Errors, no, that you have to do it manually. Yes. Okay, so we are in instruction file. Wow, that's nice. Okay, now how will you find that same wall? Go to the previous file again and click tab to select it.
घूमना बंद हो जाता है.
I mean, zoom is also, consuming a lot of RAM. Let's click somewhere else first.
And I'm clicking. This is moving in. One, two. I think.
That's okay. It happens, man. You can convert the view type into hidden line, so it will not take that load.
Okay.
Okay. Now select that wall with using tab from the edge. From the edge. Yeah. I think that one is not. Just cut the crop box a little more. Select the section box. Yes, and drag it down a little bit. Down, down. Yeah, that will do.
और जीबी का रैम लगाना पड़ेगा.
सबका ऐसा ही होता है, मुझे लग रहा था मेरा ही हो रहा है.
No man, that's the case with everyone. How much RAM you have in this system? Okay, select.
मेरा 16 GB का है.
Oh,
मेरा तो 8 GB का है भाई.
yeah, that's why. Oh, so this is architecture wall. You don't have to do anything in structure. That is silly, but okay.
This
Okay.
one, right? This one.
Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, cool. Keep it selected.
Yeah.
And we need to find its let me check once at my end. We need to find its number. There is a number given to it. Each element has their own ID. Where is it? Knowledge. Oh, can you go to Naviswork?
Yeah.
Select that wall. You can see there is one option, hide other.
Yeah, I can do. Yeah, I will do. This is the.
Yeah. There is one option, hide other. Just do that, hide other in isolation. Right. Yeah.
Print
Right.
it.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. Now select the wall. Okay. So it's mentioned over here. It has to be here. Material. No. Revit. No. Okay. Certain. What
The
all
ID,
options?
element ID maybe.
Yeah. Revit ID we are looking for. Where is it? It has to be here. Yeah. There is one.
ID. This one.
Yeah. Just copy the value. Okay. Now go to the structural file. Yes, and it's in view, right? Yeah. Not in view. It must be in manage.
Manage selects by ID.
Yeah. Drop it here and okay. Show. It's not valid. Not. I think that the wall is architectural wall and not a structural wall. So if you go to this box, zoom out, you can see the wall is getting like clashed with the beam. So select the beam instruction, right? Yeah, and find its ID.
Element ID.
Yeah, that one. Copy it. Go to Revit. Next. Yes, you can do the isolate thing. Basically, this beam is getting clash with your architecture wall. So for this clash, I mean, we don't do anything to beam, right? Beam is something which will stay.
Yeah.
So in this particular case, we are going to update something in architectural file. But let's just assume if you want to update something in structural file, right? So what you can do, for example, maybe just disable this hidden view, or maybe start the scope box. And disable the view now, the hidden view. Okay, now just select some wall in this. You must be having some walls too, right? Oh, it's locked. The view is locked. Okay, drag the section box and try to find the wall. Also make this view as hidden line or shaded or something. Yes. Now, okay, let's just do the floor. For example, select the floor. Yeah. Edit boundary. And okay, so rotate. I think the floor is not getting clashed with anything. But all I want to say, if you update something in structural file, what you will do, for example, okay, let's just delete this floor. Cross it, cross on the top, cross. Delete this floor. Okay, now synchronize the file. Okay, tell me, the structural file which is linked in your architectural model, is that a detached file or is that a central file? Can you check? Go to Revit and let's just check. Go to project browser.
Where in this file?
No, the other file. Just go to project browser at the bottom. Right. Bottom. Just click on the plus option. Revit links at bottom. Yes. Just scroll and see what's the name of structural file. Okay, so it is main file. It's not. Okay, it's not detached file. Okay, go to structural file again. So we have
मेरा तो
deleted
main
right?
file का नाम भी detach है.
You had some trouble, right? Something.
हाँ.
Okay, no problem. Just remember the names. Now synchronize it. You can see the synchronize option at top.
There also.
Yes. Yeah, you can write. Or delete. We are going to undo and again synchronize it. Oh, wait. Let's not delete it. Once synchronized, we can't undo. Cross it. Let's just undo it. Undo and let's just add some element. Undo. Yes, let's just add. Go to that view cube and click on back.
What?
Go to view cube. The view cube. Right. Yeah, click on back. And now just copy that floor above. Yeah, copy CO.
Sorry. CO.
Yes, and click on it and just bring it a little above. Yeah, that will do. Okay. And now synchronize the file. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to convey here is, let's assume while working in Naviswork, you come across some clash where you need to, okay, is the synchronized done? Okay, cool. So what I'm saying, so if you are into Naviswork and you found a clash and that clash demands you to update the structural file, for that, what you will do, you will open the file, structural file, you will do the changes, you will synchronize it. Now go to your architectural file. Yes, go to that bottom, right? Go to project browser. Revit links, yeah, the first one, right click. And there is one option known as reload. The first, reload, the first. Yeah, reload. Okay, it will take a minute or two. So basically what happened here, we updated that in the Revit detached file, then we synchronized it, then all the changes from local file were updated into the central model. That central model is linked to this file so that all that changes will be visible over here. Okay, what it's saying, the linked model, okay, that has the same name, the host model, the link will be, okay, just click on close and go to 3D, just disable this box.
How to disable? How to disable?
You can find it at, yeah, there. Yeah, perfect.
ऐसे तो क्लास डिटेक्ट करने करके स्वैप करने में तो महीनों भर लग जाएंगे.
Actually, मैं तुम्हें एक generic method बता रहा हूँ. What you can do, अभी the model is small, right? So you will see, for example, a structural wall is getting clashed. You can directly identify कि कहाँ पे है वो. You can directly identify, मतलब देख के ही पता चल जाएगा ना कि कहाँ पे है. You can adjust it over there and it will be easily. Okay, zoom out and select the structure link. Just the structural link. I don't think it will be selected over here. Just select it in your model. Just select. No, not the link. I mean, in your view. I think the slab is there, right? The top slab. No, not okay. This one is. Just select the whole structural file. I mean, just click on it. Escape. Wait. Escape. Yeah, click. Okay, no, it's just selecting the CAD. Click on there is circular. Like just okay. There is one column visible. Just click on that column directly. Yeah, just click on that and not like in tab. Just click on that directly.
Okay.
Yes. Now isolate it. This is okay. This is the IFC. We don't need IFC. You need to select the structural file for that. What can be done? Okay. Can you give me a control? Yeah, click. Okay, let's just do click VV. Let's just do it directly. VV. Yeah, disable everything. Accept structural file. Click OK. And now select the structural file and isolate it. Isolate from the specs below. Yes, isolate element. Okay, wait. So we actually duplicated one floor. Is it visible over here? Go to structural file. Okay, yeah.
है ना उधर
There it
उधर
is.
दिख रहा है ना
Yeah, you can see. There it is.
वो
Yeah,
उधर उधर
center.
हाँ थोड़ा
Center.
हाँ
Yeah, left.
वही
Yeah. एक फ्लोर से ऊपर आया ना. You can see.
लेफ्ट में है ना हाँ वही
Perfect. So what I meant to say, what you will have this architecture file open. Okay. If you find any clash and you want to update the structural file, what you will have to do, you will have to open another Revit. You will have to open the structural file in that. Okay. Do the changes, synchronize, open this architectural file, reload, and that change will be reflected over here. Okay, so just assume copying slab was one clash. So you copied it, it's reflecting over here. So that clash is resolved now. So go to Navisworks now. Yeah. And here, let's just assume this clash is resolved. So what you will do, there is one drop down arrow. New, click on that. And there is an option known as resolved. Click on that. Yeah. So once all of the clashes are resolved, you will just mark them as a result, and you will just have to export the report and submit. That is the task. You can rerun this test again, and if the clashes are sorted, this all will be gone. The clashes will be gone. Okay.
Yeah.
So I will recommend you to, I mean, if you go to structural file, Daniel. Okay, disable this section box. Okay, rotate. Okay, rotate. Okay, so what I will recommend you guys, first review your structural model and try to remove all the clashes in here. Like there must be some walls, there must be some floors which are like getting overlapped. Try to remove it over here first, then go to architectural file. Go to architectural file, again reload it, and check here if there is still anything getting getting clashed or something. So try to remove all the clashes by visual first. So Navisworks will detect really small amount of clashes, and then you can resolve the all the important clashes only. So that is the task. So is that clear?
Okay.
Yes, Samuel. You're not audible.
Okay, then, so what should I do with this extra
Okay.
floor?
Okay, so go to structural file again.
चादर बिछा के सो जाओ उसमें।
Okay, delete this, the extra floor, delete that.
अच्छा, हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा बनाया था, नीचे का फ्लोर है अभी।
हाँ, just delete that.
और एक
And
extra बनाया।
yeah,
हो गया।
synchronize. Synchronize. Hi Ganesh, you were there, right? You were listening to everything, right?
Yeah, I'm here only.
Yeah, cool. You have understood the process, right?
Actually, after the break, I started 10 minutes late actually. But after
Oh.
that, everything I understand.
हाँ, ऐसे ही फाइल खुलते खुलते लेट हो गया।
After 10 minutes, we discussed about just how to create sets, nothing important. Okay,
Yeah,
so
set already you came into the Navy Story exporting. He was exporting, I think.
yeah. That is easy. You can get back to recording, you'll get it. It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, so now synchronize the file.
हाँ, सिंक्रोनाइज तो कर लिया।
Sorry,
हो गया, सिंक्रोनाइज कर लिया।
कर लिया. Okay, just go to Revit and reload. Okay, that floor is gone. So I hope you have understood the process of how to update the structural file when it's linked, right?
One more doubt, Siddhant.
Mhm.
For like structural floors and the architectural floors, we have created at the same level. That's why maybe number of classes will be more. So if I select the structural floors and make the offsets below the architectural floor, that will be okay.
Yeah,
Before
yeah.
can do now.
Cool. That will do. Just go to structural file, select all the floors, and add offset of minus 150 mm. 150 mm is thickness of architectural floor, right?
Yes.
So just add offset, so everything will be sorted. So that's what the point. I mean, try to resolve all that visual clashes, like the clashes you know, the clashes you can see. So Navisworks will not show you a lot of clashes.
Actually, offset is already given in the structural file.
Okay, yeah, then cool. Then it will not be a clash in Navisworks.
Yeah, but what Samuel did, he matched the upper floors of the structural file and architectural file.
Yeah,
That is why that
Yeah.
issue is occurring.
Yes.
पता नहीं
Yes.
मतलब क्या हुआ।
उसमें नीचे नीचे जाओगे ना तो बेसमेंट का एक वो आ रहा है लेवल। बेसमेंट का जो लेवल है वो सेम है, बट ऊपर के जो लेवल्स हैं वो डिफरेंट हैं स्ट्रक्चरल फाइल में और आर्किटेक्चरल फाइल में।
हाँ,
Levels in the
कुछ
sense like difference. For example, let's assume level 20. Level 20 architectural file में जो position पे है, structural file में वो 150 mm already below है. Is that what you're saying, right?
Yes.
Yes. But if you have modeled it already, so let's just I mean you can directly add offset. If अगर पहले ही कही है file.
You can align the structural file with the architectural basement floor.
Yeah, that can be done too.
देखेंगे उसको। एक्चुअली 2 लेवल्स अलग अलग आ रहा था, सो मैंने थोड़ा चोरी किया उसमें, मतलब हर लेवल से हटा दिया।
Okay.
हम तो अलाइन किया था, वो IFSC का लेवल आके दिमाग खराब कर रहा था, मैं तो अलाइन कर दिया साथ में।
Is there any way to hide the like individually hide the levels of IFC files?
Yeah, there is a way. What you can do now, just make everything visible. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Or maybe only one IFC, so that it will be not much complicated. Yeah. Okay, and disable the hidden mode also. Okay, so what you can do, go to VG, whatever you use. Go to Revit links. and select that IFC. Yeah, by host. Click on that. Now go to model categories. Sorry, annotation categories. Okay, but before that, go to
First
basic.
custom
Yeah.
बेसिक में
custom
custom.
करना पड़ेगा.
Make it custom.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, we have it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
now?
you can. Yeah. Now go to annotation categories. Now on top you can see. Yeah, that will go to custom, and now find levels in here. Yes, that one. Just disable it.
Okay.
Click OK. And
Very nice.
yeah, this will disable the levels of IFC.
देखो गणेश, हम लोग क्या क्या इसके लिए कर
हाँ,
रहे थे.
हम लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं हम
Yeah. So you guys should have
तो डाउट
raised
चेकर
this
में
with-
2-3 बार वो सवाल किसने पूछा था, ये आंसर दिया हुआ था उधर.
Yeah. We have our group, guys. You can write anything. I'm here for you. Like जो भी issue है. Like
Yes.
even if it's really silliest, it's okay. You guys can ask. That's why I'm here,
Okay.
right?
Actually, I was out of the time now. That's why I was like, okay, I will try to finish it as soon as possible. Then actually, I had some doubts. I asked you today that name changing, and I'm changing the name now that IFCB file is going. That's why I don't know why.
Yeah,
Today
I
I
mean,
understood that.
you need to update the name first and then link and stuff. I mean, the first thing you had to do was to rename the name and stuff. That was important. But yeah, Revit is case sensitive when it comes. Even if you add one extra space in the title, it will not identify the file. So it's really case sensitive.
तो फिर से पूरे लिंक करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, you guys will have to do linking again. But I think the task 7, I mean, if stage 3 is completed, do not link the IFC files and stuff. This will just make heavy file, right?
Okay.
Class detection वगैरह के लिए मत करो. When it comes to documentation, section वगैरह create करना है, at that moment you can link it only. So load नहीं आएगा ज़्यादा.
So,
Okay, that's a good idea.
थोड़ा लोकेशन चेंज कर सकते हैं एक बार.
Yeah, location you can change, and once the location change, again, for example, Samuel, can you go to manage?
yeah. Manage.
Okay.
Manage links, right?
Manage links. Yes. Select. Go to IFC. Select any of it. Okay, so here you can see there is an option reload and reload from at bottom.
Yeah.
If you click on reload from, yeah. So if you just change the folder na, Govind, the status will say not linked. Sorry, not loaded. Okay.
Okay.
So you can just go to reload from. Click on that. And it will give you option to select file. I mean, it will open the file also. So from here you can select the file from your new location. Okay. And just by clicking OK, it will just the file will be visible.
Okay.
Which file? That Revit file or?
Yeah, the IFC file. So let's assume.
गोविंद कुछ और पूछ रहा था मेरे को, मतलब वो शायद सेंट्रल फाइल के लोकेशन के बारे में पूछ रहा था चेंज करने के लिए. इज इट राइट गोविंद?
हाँ वही.
अगर if you relocate the central file, can you go to Revit tab, Samuel?
Yeah, Revit.
I mean, there is one tab. Manage links only. Go to manage links again. Yeah. So here you can see you can do the same. So for example, you shifted your architectural central file to some folder. Everything will be unlinked. Then you will have to link it from here. Okay. So from here you can just do the same process. Select any link and reload from. Okay. So what I'll tell you, create a good folder system. Okay. Add all the files to all folders and then open the architectural file and link, unlink, I mean, link everything from here. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Then can you go to Chrome, Simon, for one last time? Close this. Okay. So task 00, I think everyone has done it. Task 1 and 2. Task number 1 is of creating sets. Task number 2 is starting the test. Okay, you have to start and submit a class report. So these two, make sure that you guys will complete it maybe today or earliest at tomorrow.
But task one, task two for creating sets actually for
Only-
model.
Sorry,
Repeat.
yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Task 1 is to append the files into NISO and submit. Okay.
No,
No,
I
it's
think task 1
Uh,
is MEP Rivet file linked to our whole model.
That task 0, right?
No, task 0 was the screenshot of the resources we have downloaded.
task one is
Uh,
linking
At the
it.
same
Okay.
day we did it.
Yeah,
Task two
right.
is-
This is beginning. Yeah. So, okay. So, can you close this? Okay. So, task 0 is submitting of screenshot. That's done. Task 1 is importing the MEP. Correct. Task 3 is creating the sets in the Navisworks. Okay.
Yes.
Task 3. Task
Four.
I think task 2 has we have to create the sets, and task 3 we have to create the report of clashes.
report of the clashes, and task 4 will be resolution. So task 1 will not take any time. You just have to link. All of you guys have already done it. Like I have seen that. Task 2 will also not take time. Creation of sets, it's easy. We have done it. It kind of took 10 to 15 minutes. So please do that. Task 3 is also easy. It will take 10 minutes max. You just have to, just create a test for the sets, right? These 3 tasks, try to do it. You can cover all these 3 tasks within 1 hour. Okay. Task 4 will take time, maybe 3 or 4 hours. So you have Sunday tomorrow if you do not have any plans, or you can take 2 or 3 hours of your day to complete the task 4, because once task 4 is completed, so like basically if everything is completed till the task 4, the further is more of the documentation. That will not take much time. That will be like 1 or 2 hour per task, something like that. So actually I wanted to cover whole task 2 and 3 in this session only, but I think that's not possible now. We are already 10. So, but you have understood, right? So it's really tiny task. Try to complete it today only, and you'll have done half of them. 4, it will take time. The fourth task will, kind of give you idea about how to work in Revit, how to work in Navisworks. It will clear a lot of things to you. And task 5 and rest will be, they will not take much of the time. Okay, so yeah, I think that is pretty much of it. Do you have any queries in this? Is everything clear?
Till now is clear.
Okay. Yeah, you might will have queries while performing it, so that is okay.
अगर एक चीज मैं बोलूं, ये
Yes.
जो जैसे आप बोले ना कि वो रेविट में अगर हम लोग विजुअली कुछ अगर दिख रहा है कि हाँ ये मेरा क्लासेस हो सकता है, तो उसको मैं क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, तो वो चीज का रिपोर्ट में आएगा कि हाँ रिजॉल्व हो गया है, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
No, that will not be in report. So if you go to stage 3 and open it and go to I think it's stage 4. Stage 4 task 1 0 1 sorry 1 that one, and go to second tab, third. No, it's not mentioned. Okay, it's mentioned somewhere that you have to check the.
नेक्स्ट वाला टास्क इधर है, maybe
Okay.
इधर है somewhere.
Yeah, the preliminary. Yes. So yeah, it's mentioned over here that you just do visual inspection first. So just try to remove all the things you're actually seeing visually. If like beams and columns are getting clashed, I mean, beams and columns will not get clashed. Beams and floors are getting clashed and stuff. So try to remove that as much as possible and then go to Navisworks. It will be very convenient for you. I think there will be really less clashes, maybe 10 to 15 only. It will not even cross the 100. So try to do that first and then go into Navisworks. That will, I know the visual inspection will take a lot of time, but that will save time for further tasks, right? And like while resolving the clashes, give priority to the structural elements. Like structural elements are fixed, we can't move them, we don't move them. The beams, columns will be there, right? You can adjust the walls, you can adjust the floors, but the beams, columns will be there, framing will be there. Okay. And one more thing, if a beam is clashing with a structural wall or something, you can use joint tool to join them, because in general they will be joined in real scenario. So you can join them, so it will not consider as a clash. Okay, so I think yeah, that is it about this stage 4. I hope you guys have understood. It's a lot, I know. Try it out. We'll just get it done in this week. I hope it will be done.
Yeah.
Once the task 4 is completed, now the rest is not that complicated. Rest will, it's easy. Ganesh, you were saying something?
No, yeah, sure. I said sure. I will
Okay.
try to complete this week.
Okay. Sanil, you can stop your screen
I have
now.
one more doubt actually, Siddhant. Actually, you
Uh-huh.
the PDF you saw, na, like he created all the sheets like same multiple sheets also same level. How we can do that? Actually, we are creating separate schedule. The next level, the same line. How we can align it? Like, is there any way?
Okay.
There's multiple way of sheets we can do. Like,
So if you want something from one floor to another, like if you want it to be the same at the same location, reference planes are the elements which are like infinite. So if you draw a reference plane in anywhere in a floor plan, it will be reflected like everywhere in all the floor plans. So you can draw reference planes and make sure you'll delete them later because it gets too much confusing. Okay, so reference planes is your answer, Ganesh.
okay.
Yes. So I think I'll stop recording. Are we done with technical thing, right? Technical part.
Yes.
Cool, cool. Stop.